Okay, so today we're at a friend's place and he has the new MacBook Pro. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you a little bit of that. David Unger, here he is.
Okay,
Okay, Dave, so
here we go.
Go ahead.
This is the package opener called the scissor. And we're going to just pierce the plastic wrap. And open it up. So this is a space gray MacBook Pro. I think maybe I'm going to keep this. Oh, look at that. MacBook Pro Space Gray. Wrapped up. Like it's got a diaper on it. Okay, take that out of here. And I guess we're just going to open it.
Continue. Anything else that's included in the box, Dave?
Oh, yeah, of course. You have this lightning cable for charging. And here is the actual charger. Right there. Little booklet here. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, look at that. You have your little Apple tattoos. You can put that on like your, I don't know, on your car, your bicycle, your treadmill. I knew I was going to be on a show. I would have prepared something. This up with a lightning cable. That's not a lightning cable. Lightning cable is what goes to a monitor. This is just a charging cable. Let's open this up.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take it around here.
And let's it already went on. This is the first Virgin run. Oh, look at that. It's time to set it up. So first we're going to pick, which English would you like? UK version or the real English from the United States?
We'll go to the United States.
Okay, pick the real English. Uh-huh. Look at that. No, we're not in Afghanistan. United States. Take the wrap off this charger. So even though this is a new model compared to the older ones, this has a regular female connection which plugs in, unlike the other machines which are magnetic.
Right.
So I know they make adapters. You can buy an adapter which plugs in here and it turns into a magnetic cable, which I would do. There's less chance of damaging the cable or the charging port. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Show my downloads. Hey, what's the weather? Hey, what does the rest of my day look like? That's Touch ID right there. Use your fingerprint to unlock a live. Okay. It's not making a movie.
So there you have it, unboxing the MacBook Pro 2020 model. Bye.